In previous lectures, we talked about what is a program. And we said that a program is a set of instructions to the computer about how to allocate storage space. And these named storage spaces in the memory are called variables. In Java, we call this step declaration. And the step where we assign the values to the variables is called assignment. And then we instruct the computer about how to process the data. For example, subtract the deductions from gross salary and store the result in the variable net salary. Or for that matter, any logic depending on the problem we wish to solve. We call this step processing. And finally, how to display or output the data to an output device, which could be your monitor, speaker, printer, your TV, your car's music system, and so on. In Java, we call this step output. Let's see how we implement each of these steps one by one, beginning with declaration.